Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add an overlay in CapCut Mobile. Now open up the CapCut app on your iPhone or Android and let's just tap on New Video. The first thing you need to do is select the first video. In this case, I'm just going to choose this video and hit Add. Now I've added this first video on here, but let's say I wanted to add another overlay on top of it, maybe to appear in a corner of it or to do a split screen so that it fills up half of the screen. What I'm going to do is if this video is selected, it's highlighted in white, we need to make sure it's not selected. So if you see that little arrow at the bottom left, just tap on the arrow to make sure that it is not selected. And now at the very bottom, right next to effects is overlay. Let's just tap on overlay and then add overlay. Now, let's say I'm going to add this video on top of it. I'm going to select it and hit add. I'll show you how to do it. Basically, essentially, you can use your fingers to zoom in and zoom out, and you can even rotate this if you wanted to, and just sort of orient it wherever you want. If you wanted to do, again, a split screen or anything like that, you can always add a split screen or an overlay or even a mask on there. But now we're going to take our finger on this video and make sure to swipe it over. And now if I press play, you'll be able to see it shows both videos on one screen. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.